The question is, in Kentucky, how are my wages supposed to be replaced if I've been taken off work? In Kentucky, you get what's called temporary total disability benefits. These benefits are 2/3 of your average weekly wage. Your average weekly wage is calculated by looking back at the last year of earnings and taking the average for the highest quarter of that year. So for example, if you were hurt on January 1st, the entire prior year would be assessed, and in each quarter of the year we would figure out what the average wage was that you earned. Whichever quarter is the highest would become your average weekly wage, and temporary total disability benefits are 2/3 of that. Temporary total disability benefits should be paid until you reach maximum medical improvement or are able to return to work.